Hi everyone, it's Donnett with Embroidery.com. Welcome to this week's machine embroidery demo. First up today is Kimber Bell's Bench Buddies, the September, October, November, December one. There are 3 in this series, each taking 4 months out of the year. So this one covers fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So I have this adorable Thanksgiving one. It's just a very simple give thanks. There are 2 different sizes. There's this 9.5 by 5.5-ish size, and then there's an 8 by 8. And these are perfect companions to the Bench Buddies. But, I mean, it's a simple design of give thanks. But then you've got this adorable pumpkin, this freestanding lace pumpkin that you can attach with, you know, a ribbon, some raffia, some twine. Give it a little rustic look. I love her fabric. Then look at this Christmas one. How cute did this tree turn out? I love that she has a branch, an actual twig in here. So she just tied some ribbon on, trimmed it in the shape of the tree, and then actually added on some buttons for the ornaments. Stitched is the bucket, the bucket for the tree, which she did in some glitter flecks, and then the star. And then she just couched down the twig with the ribbon on. But how cute did that turn out? I love it. I love her fabric. So that is Kimber Bell's Bench Buddies. Next up are these holiday utensil holders. Oh my gosh, you guys. So in this pack, there are 10 designs, 4 of which are Thanksgiving, and the rest are Christmas. So for the Thanksgiving, there's this adorable turkey, an Indian corn. There's also a pilgrim hat, as well as an acorn. How cute would your Thanksgiving table look with everybody getting their own unique, cute little utensil holder next to their place setting? So cute. So now, these are done just on some felt, and they are super easy. So you can see the pocket here. Now, they don't necessarily have to be utensil holders. You could use these as gift card holders, ornaments. The possibilities are really limitless. But they are super easy to stitch out. They take about 20, 25, 30 minutes to stitch out because they're just super simple. But look at the Christmas one. A wreath, a present, this Christmas tree. Of course, we've got to have Santa. Gotta have Santa. An ornament, and a stocking. I love how she swapped up the felt of the stockings. But oh my gosh, these just turned out amazing. I just love how simple but yet detailed they are. You know, they're a complete design unto themselves, but oh my gosh, a 20-30 minute project, totally doable. Now, I've paired these with some Hemingway thread. We've got pomegranate, avocado, haystack, old gold, teddy bear brown, and winter pine. So some beautiful, beautiful colors for an amazing design pack that is truly simple but truly exceptional at the same time. So do you like my utensils? I had to run into the break room to grab the plastic utensils, but oh my gosh, I can't even imagine. I mean, what if you even like stitched their name on it or something? Oh, it's just a cute feature just a cute design pack that's totally unique. Next up are these adorable quilt squares of the month. I love these. Not only are they big, which I love, they're about 6 inches squared, but they're totally unique. There's 13 designs in the pack. One of the months repeats. I think it's April. It repeats for Easter. But you've got, you know, January, February, March, April with the Easter basket, May with the umbrellas, June with some flowers. I love these. I love how she just stitched them on some simple hand towels. She even coordinated the colors of her stitching with the running stitch. This one she stitched on a hand towel. But I mean, the possibilities with these are quite limitless. Beyond hand towels, I mean, a cute quilt. Very, very versatile designs. And super easy again. These are a very great beginner design. If you're just learning, there's no color changes. I mean, there can be color changes if you want, but there, you know, you could do them all in the same color like she did here. And so they're a very perfect beginner design pack. Now I've paired this pack with some hemming thread as well. We've got Azure, Christmas Green, Fiery Sunset, Old Gold, Teddy Bear Brown, and Christmas Red. So some nice bright colors to celebrate each and every month. Next up is this amazing pack. It's called Flowers with 3D Effect. There are 21 designs in total in the pack. 8 different flowers in 3 different sizes. So what you stitch are these flowers right here. This one she actually put on a clip, so you could actually clip it to your hair. How cute would that be? Oh, let me turn it that way. But this is what you're actually stitching. You're stitching this freestanding lace 3D flower. Now on this project right here, she got this placemat at the dollar store. I know, amazing, right? Stitched out these flowers, these sunflowers, with some yellow organza, and then just got a bow, some cute, you know, floral, got the welcome sign, hot glued it all to the dollar store placemat, and she's got amazing wall hanging, amazing door hanging to welcome everybody into her home. The best thing about this is you could do it for every season, every holiday, whatever. You just stitch out the flowers in different colors of organza, in different shades, and you change out the floral based upon the holiday. But this just turned out amazing. These, I mean, how freaking cute is this? I mean, again, she just simply hot glued it right to a clip here, and you've got an adorable flower bow for your little one's hair. I think it's so cute. So I paired this one with a hemming thread set as well. We've got whipped papaya, maize, new penny, dark mango, leafy green, and cranberry. So some beautiful soft colors to be able to stitch out these amazing 3D flowers, which I think just turned out. This project is awesome. Totally unique, totally one of a kind, and you can, you know, customize it to whatever your home decor taste. Well, that's it for today. Head over to my machine embroidery blog on embroidery.com. I will have close-up pictures of all the projects I've shown you here today, as well as links to their design packs and thread sets. Make sure you turn your notifications on, because that's how you'll know a new video is out. And as always, we love to hear your comments and suggestions, so leave those for us below. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Happy stitching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!